Can't play Valorant due to DirectX Runtime error on your Windows 11 computer? No worries, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through 2 simple steps to fix DirectX Runtime errors. Let's get started. Step 1. Adjust VGC service settings. Type services in the search bar and open it. Scroll down to find the VGC service. Right-click on VGC, select Properties. Set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply and then OK. Right-click on VGC again. Choose Start. Open Run Type. Type msconfig, then press Enter. In the Services tab, tick Hide all Microsoft services. At the bottom, find VGC, tick the box and click Apply. Click OK to close and restart your computer. Step 2. Download and install DirectX. Open the provided link in your browser. Link in the description. Select your language and click Download. Open the downloaded file, click Yes for permission. Accept the agreement, click Next. Untick Install the Bing bar, click Next. If DirectX download is available for your Windows 11, it will be shown. Click Next. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Hit Finish when done. Now Valorant should start up without the DirectX runtime error. If this guide helped, hit the like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll respond promptly. Thanks for watching.